Daryl. What's going on here? Well, today I got a little Amazon for you guys. We'll start over here. I got the gear wrench, gimbal ratchet, 3/8 drive. I got the Foxwell NT301 code reader. It's supposed to be pretty cool. I'm ready to check this bad boy out. I got it, and I got a case as well. Why wouldn't you sell them together? I don't know, but you gotta buy them separate. I got a tailgate assist from my truck. I got a 12-volt car battery and alternator tester for like $7. And then I got a digital endoscope. I've been looking at these for a while. I've been wanting to get one. It's supposed to be 15 foot. It's nice. Look, it's supposed to be 1080p. It's supposed to be pretty cool there. Ready to try that out. I ordered some more of the Scullers eye protection safety glasses. These are good glasses, real good. They're like $10 a pair. They're really good. And oh yeah, now I ordered a small wrench set. Small little 10-piece wrench set from 4mm up to 11mm. Small. I saw them. I said, well, small little chrome looks really nice on them. If you guys ever have any questions, even if anybody watches this, I'm trying to make some more videos. I buy a lot of tools, so why not share what I buy with you guys so you know whether to buy it or not. Just like this tailgate assist. I watched the video. They say it's pretty hard to put in, but I'm gonna put it in. I've got a 2013 F-150. Looks like it comes with everything to put it in. Trying to get it in, play with my endoscope, play with my scanner, just for the DIY. So if you guys, if you have any questions, even if somebody watches or if they don't, whatever, but if somebody does and you have questions, comment later on. You know, I might you got a question, hey, how's something working out for you? I'll be honest with you, you know, if I'm using it or not, and if it's any good or not. This little ratchet looks pretty cool. But yeah, all in all, right here, it's about $400. Well, let's see, about $360 just right here. This right here is 116. This is 80, 10, 10, 7. This is 30. I can't remember what this was. Either of them. If you got any questions, just hit me up in the comments. Once again, thanks guys for watching. I'm looking at getting some more wrenches. I'm looking at the SK Ratcheting or the Milwaukee set. But if I get them, I'll make a video for you guys. As always, have a great day. We'll see you.